How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. Today we are unboxing the Sony A7 IV. This is actually my first full frame camera, and I've been a lifelong Canon guy, and I decided it's time we take the jump and we go to Sony for the A7 IV. So let's go ahead and pop it open the first time. I have not looked inside of it since I've purchased it, so we've got something in here which I have no idea what that is. We'll put that aside for a second. We'll take out the packaging right here. We'll take that out. We do have some instructions. We'll put that aside. I want to get right to the good stuff right here. The first time seeing the camera, so we'll flip that open right there. You can see the strap that's in there. We'll get that in a second. But let's go ahead and grab the body itself to start it off right here. We'll throw this stuff to the side. And this is the big wow moment for me because, like I said, my first ever full frame camera. And here it is, the Sony A7 IV. Oh my gosh, I love it. Wow, first off, I must say the feeling of it, the grip of it and everything feels fantastic in the hands right there. We do have your little flip out and swivel screen, so that's awesome, truly amazing. Actually, I'm familiar with that since a lot of my Canons that I have right now do have that right there. But if we look at the top of the camera, we can see some of the switches and stuff right there. So we do have your standard dial mode up here, and then we have the selector for your video camera, and all that down there. We have some customizable buttons, your record switch, your on and off switch right here. We look on the back, we've got some more function buttons. We've got the little toggle right there, which is really, really good. We'll actually look at the side because there's so many good ports on this camera right here. So we'll open that up. I think that's your microphone port right there. And then we do have, if I open up these right here, so that's your headphone jack, so you can monitor your audio. We have the USB-C, and we have a multi-unit right there. So I'm not too sure exactly what that is. We do have, I know, somewhere right here, if we can open these ones up here. Like I said, first time opening them up. There's your full-size HDMI port right there. So that's an amazing feature to have a full-size HDMI port. You don't have to worry about the micro or a mini or anything like that. And then we have the little open button right here, which will help us flip open your battery door just on the bottom. Your standard quarter inch right down there as well. And then one thing I really like about the Sony full frames, I love this like colored ring that is around the camera. It looks absolutely fantastic. Doesn't that look cool? Really, really like that full-size ring right there. All right, so we'll put the camera down for a second. Let's go ahead and have a look at the other contents in the box. So we do have the lens itself. This is the kit lens, which, to be completely honest, I probably am not even gonna use this. I should have got the non-kit lens version, the one with just the body, but this was the only one available at the time that I ordered. So that's what I have. So there is your standard kit lens with it. What is this one? I can't remember. I think it's a 28 to 70, I believe is what it is. And it is the FE 3.5 to 5.6, 28 to 70 right there. You got your Sony mount. We got the little cover right there, and it even comes with the lens hood, which is really cool. So that's neat that we do have the lens. So it's like I said, I've got my own lenses already, brand new lenses, which will be in future videos. Well, I'll be unboxing those ones. So we'll put the camera down there for a second, and we'll just check what else we have in the box right here. We do have the nice strap right here. This is a fantastic looking strap because it is a nice leather A7 IV strap. That's always good. We've got this right here, which should be our battery. There it is. So there is our battery, and if you want to know the exact battery that's included, there you go. So you guys can look at that battery on there as well. And what else do we have right here? We've got, not even sure what this is. Oh, we've got our little brick right here. So our little charger brick we can use. And I believe this would be the USB-C cable, if I'm not mistaken. This is what was at the very beginning. We'll actually open that one up. And there it is. So we have our USB-A to USB-C cable. No charger for the battery, so you actually have to put the battery into your camera and then use your charger right here to charge it. So it's kind of weird that they don't include the actual charger for it, but nonetheless, still fantastic. But there we have it. We'll put the stuff, I'll just throw it all back in there. Right now, we'll throw that aside. We'll have another look at the camera itself. But guys, I am super, super excited to get my brand new Sony A7 IV camera. If you guys are looking to get one, I will link it down below so you can check out the current pricing and all of that. And make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.